Hi everyone, I'm just quickly popping on before we start the video, and I'm coming on to tell you about a membership that I have now on my YouTube channel. So to access this, you will need to go on my profile on my YouTube channel, and you'll see three buttons at the top. One, subscribed, then we have join and visit community. So you will click on the join button and it will bring up the membership perks that you will be able to have during your membership. So for 99p a month, you will get to have access to live streams, which are members only live streams. We have early access to new videos, so you will see any video that I have before it goes live on my channel. We have members only chat rooms, which will be great to get to know one another and just have fun, and it's just great to get to meet other crafters, and I thought that this was a great way to do that. You will have loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and on the live chat. And you will also have access to custom emojis that I've done that you can also use in the chat and in the live streams. So as I said, this is 99p a month and you can cancel anytime. And if you would love to join, then that would be brilliant. If not, then that is also absolutely fine as well. So let's get back into today's video, and thank you for listening. And if you join my membership, I will see you on the other side. Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be as labelling my stamps and dies using this label printer that I got from Temu. I'll link it down below, and it's by Nowco. And it's a portable printer, so you can take this on the go with you. So I thought I would do a video of me setting it up with you and having a go. So I have got it out the packaging, I've downloaded the app, and I've also popped the labels in there, and I'm hoping that's in correctly, and I'm pushing that down. So I've downloaded the app. So it says let's connect to your Nowco. So turn the machine on. So it's this button here, and you'll hear a beep, and then it says confirm that Bluetooth is on, which it is, and then it says let's connect now. So let's press connect. So allow Nowco to find Bluetooth devices. Yep, so allow that. So it's found it, so we're going to click to connect, and it beeped. There we go, and now we need to log in. So I'm going to pause this bit and log in, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've signed in, and this is what we get when we sign in. Just click on system templates. So I'm assuming these are the templates that they have, so you can choose. So it looks like we have quite a few different styles. So we've got Christmas, birthdays, and different images on there. So it looks like you could choose one of theirs. We have a plus at the bottom here, so let's click on that. So I just want a simple text. So we're going to click on text, and let me grab a stamps and die set, and then we can print a label. Okay, so I've got some of my envelopes, and I got these envelopes also from Temu, and as you can see I've labelled them with the packaging that they come in, but I wanted to label them with some stickers. So we're going to do this one first. So this is the Creative Craft Products, and it's the Floral Calendar Sentiments stamp set. So to shorten it up, I'm just going to put CCP for Creative Craft Products. So CCP, and then I'm going to put a dash or a line, I can never remember what they're called, and then we can type floral calendar. I'm going to make the font smaller so then we can fit that inside that grey box. We do have, when you click on the wording, it does say font, so you can choose all the different fonts you want, but I'm going to leave it as it is, and I want to click a line because I want to make sure that is central. So I'm going to print this now and let's see how this works. So we've got our machine, so let's press print and see if it does anything. So print, copies 1, yep, and then you can mirror it as well, which is good. So let's press print. And then we just click that to cut it. There we go. How cool is that? And then we can just peel this off and stick it on there. And how nice does that look compared to that? I absolutely love that. So I'm going to do another one and cut that, and there we go. How cool. And then we're going to get rid of those and then put this one on instead, and there we go. It doesn't smudge either, which is excellent. So there we go, guys. That is the label printer from Temu, which cost me £10, and it does include a roll. I'm not entirely sure how many is on a roll, but yeah, I love it. And I don't think the rolls are very expensive either. I think you can get a bundle as well for like a £5 or something like that. So I'm so happy with this, and I'm so glad I got it. And as you saw, it was so easy to do. You just download the app, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. So I absolutely love that. And then obviously when the battery's going flat, you can recharge it with the cable it comes with. There we go. I absolutely love this, and I hope that you enjoyed this, having a go with the machine as well. As always, I'll link it down below, and if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Next time, guys, take care. Bye.